In this short video, I'll show you how to know who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture secretly and how to identify those who are secretly viewing your WhatsApp status. It can be frustrating when you're unsure who can see your status on WhatsApp, especially when certain contacts may have disabled their read receipts to go unnoticed. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including finding out if someone is stalking your WhatsApp activities. Together, we'll explore the best methods to determine if someone has secretly viewed your WhatsApp status and profile picture. Stay with me until the end to learn how to know who viewed your WhatsApp story. Now let's get started on how to see who secretly viewed your WhatsApp status or profile. The first method is to use read receipts strategically. Start by posting a status update on WhatsApp. If you've turned off read receipts, others won't know you've viewed their status updates. However, if you decide to turn them back on, WhatsApp will retroactively inform the status owner that you've seen their status. This method allows you to see who has viewed your WhatsApp status, including contacts who initially had their read receipts disabled. Another trick is to post something intriguing or personal and observe who comments or reacts. Often, these are the people secretly keeping an eye on your status. Another method is to pay attention to any unusual patterns. If someone is consistently the first to view your status updates or sends you messages as soon as you come online, they might be closely monitoring your activity. Additionally, if you notice frequent changes in your profile picture, it could be a sign that someone is watching. But you might ask, how do you know who viewed your WhatsApp profile picture secretly? Unfortunately, no app or feature on WhatsApp directly shows this. Any application claiming to do so is likely fraudulent or ineffective. Instead, stay alert to comments or behaviors that might indicate someone has been checking your profile. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to see hidden WhatsApp status viewers. Lastly, consider the privacy settings available on WhatsApp. To do this, go to Settings on your WhatsApp. Then, to customize who can see your status, tap Privacy. Next, tap on Profile Picture. Limiting visibility can help you manage who can see what is on your profile. But remember, there's no guaranteed method to know who has viewed your profile picture, as WhatsApp prioritizes user privacy. But what if you suspect it's your WhatsApp story they are secretly viewing? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll show you the easy steps to find out who's secretly viewing your WhatsApp story. Click to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.